friends, I am Mansi. I am from Shri Shambhu Mahadev Devasthan Trust, Kursungi Sanchali Shri Bhekrai Mata Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Bhekrai Nagar. Now I am studying in class 9. So today in this video, I will show you how to calculate curved surface area, total surface area and volume of cylinder. So let's start our video. So here I take a rectangular sheet and I make cylinder from this. So this is the cylinder, this is the height of the cylinder, this is the lead of cylinder and this is the base of cylinder. So the lead and the base of cylinder are circular. So let's find the curved surface area of cylinder. So you know radius of cylinder is the radius of its base and the base of cylinder is circular. So the circumference of circle is 2 pi r and the circumference of circle is the length of the rectangular sheet, and you know the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth and length into breadth is equal to height of the cylinder. So area of curved surface is equal to circumference of circle into height. So 2 pi r is the circumference of circle into h means height. So the formula of area of curved surface is 2 pi r h. Here I take cylinder shape. So this is the lead of cylinder, this is the base of cylinder and this is the height of cylinder. So according to this we calculate the formula of total surface area of cylinder. So let's go. You have no circumference of the base is the length of rectangle and the height of cylinder is breadth of rectangle. In the formula of total surface area we have calculated all the parts of cylinder. So total surface area is equal to area of lead plus area of base plus curved surface area. So area of lead is equal to pi r square plus area of base is equal to pi r square plus curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, get 2 pi r common and in bracket h plus r. So in this way we calculate the formula of total surface area. We have calculated the formula of volume of cylinder. So to find how much water a tank of cylindrical shape can hold, we have find the volume of the tank. So we use the common formula for volume of any prism. So the formula is area of base into height. So we have calculated the volume of cylinder. Let's go. The area of base of cylinder is pi r square because the area of base is circular and the height is h. So the volume of cylinder is equal to area of base into height. Area of base is equal to pi r square into height means h. So I take this cylinder. Let's measure its radius and height. The radius of this cylinder is nearly about 7 cm and the height of this cylinder is 10 cm. So we put these values in all formulas. This is 7 cm and the height is 10 cm. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 10 is equal to 44 into 10 is equal to 440 square centimeter. So the curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 440 square meter. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket h plus r is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 in bracket 7 plus 10 is equal to 44 into 17 is equal to 748 square centimeter. So the total surface area of cylinder is equal to 748 square centimeter. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 10 is equal to 22 into 70 is equal to 1540 cubic centimeter. So the volume of cylinder is equal to 1540 cubic centimeter. So we have calculated curved surface area of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder and volume of cylinder. See, it is so easy to find out, and I hope would you like this video and better understand, and this all credit goes to Shivarkar sir. Shivarkar sir taken a Zoom meeting on this topic and I like this lecture too much, and you have not subscribed to this channel, so subscribe the same channel Mahadev Shivarkar lectures on maths, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and thank you for watching.